Hey, greetings and salutations. Now, got a little bit of ranch maintenance to do today, and I thought I'd share with you kind of a how-to video. Alright, so let's head out to the well house and show you what I'm going to work on today. So let's say it's a dark and stormy night and a limb has broken out of the tree and is blown through your roof. Or in this case, I forgot to make provisions for an access hatch so the well guy could access the wellhead. This happened over a year ago already. I mean, it was way back when they were building the house next door. I believe it was May or June of 2018. There was an obstruction between here and the well pump, which is at the bottom of the well, 120 feet down that hole. So in order to service that pump, we had to pull, like I had anything to do. Well, I did have something to do with it because I'm the one that cut the hole in the roof. But we had to pull 120 feet of well pipe, 2-inch well pipe out of that hole, and needed access for the little crane that they used to pull that pipe up. So I just grabbed a sawzall and just started hacking away. I need to put a patch in here, and as you can see, it's probably a foot, maybe. Yeah, it's roughly a foot. If I went and I cut this back so that the plywood was centered again on this board, then I could just put a 2-foot chunk in here, 2 foot by 1 foot, and it could rest on here. The problem is that this won't be supported, and I have to cut through all these shingles. This is going to be a quick and dirty repair, and I'm not going to replace the shingles. The piece that I removed here is still up here. It just folded over the top of the roof, and I'm just going to fold it back, and I'm going to get some roofing cement, and I'm going to roofing cement the gap. The correct way to do this would be to put a fresh piece of plywood in here, a patch, and then reshingle the thing, but I'm not going to go to that extreme because it may need to be serviced again, and I'll just rip everything back out. Because this is only a foot, this will be supported up here, but the patch won't be supported down here, and if somebody goes up here and steps on that patch, it'll just blow right through. We don't want that to happen. So I am going to do a couple of things. My cut went all the way down to here, right? So I'm going to put a piece of 2x4 and sister it to this rafter. I'm going to do the same thing over here on this rafter. I'm going to screw it right to these rafters. That way I can just flop this piece over and it'll be supported by the 2x4 that's here, and then this piece will be supported as well. And then I'll take a 2x4 and go between on the flat, right? So between here, and then that patch will be supported by a piece of framing lumber here. You'll see. Right now, what I do, I'm going to measure. Right now I'm just going to get some measurements so I can pre-cut my lumber, and I'll grab my my drill and some screws, start putting this thing together. Alright, I couldn't find any screws, any 3-inch screws, so I'm going to have to bang it in with a hammer. here's a better view of how this patch is going to be supported now. Ouch. Right, supported on all four sides. I think I will go get a couple of nails and just nail it down, or maybe just one. Okay, there's a nail, there's a nail, and I'll go get some roofing cement, and I'm probably going to go ahead and replace these pieces of cap. I'll take that roofing cement and I'll just squirt a seam of it down in this crack here, and then through this cut here and up that cut there. I'll put a little dab on top of those nails. The sun will heat these shingles up and they'll seal back down, fixed. So if a tree ever falls on your roof and pokes a hole in it, now you know how to fix that hole. Just make sure that your patch is supported. Now if you're replacing an entire sheet of plywood, you don't need to support between the rafters. Only if you're putting a small piece in there that likely won't support the weight of a full-grown man. If you found this video to be informative and entertaining, smash that like button, share it with the vast social media network. Go ahead and click the sub button under this window and the bell icon next to it so you can be notified of future uploads. Give me a like just for this hammer. Huh? That's all I got today. I'm going to clean up my mess. You have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Poor Big Ugly. I feel bad. I should do something about that. Why does this feel like it's loose? What the hell is going on? Let's head out to the well house. Oh, what a dick. Right in the frickin' sunlight. That's better. What an idiot.